So in class, we used our chart. We're only doing 2, 4, 4, 4, 3, 4. We're not doing the bottom ones. We sorted our cards and matched them up. So what you're doing here is you are going to, so if you look at the 2, 4, it has 2 measures. So the next one only has 1, 3, 4 has 2 measures. First, we got to figure out, these are called time signatures. What does the 2, 4 mean? Who knows? Anybody?
There's 2 notes.
And 4 beats.
Not 2 notes.
That's okay. It's all right if you make a
2
mistake.
beats and
2
4
beats.
marks.
There are 2 beats in every measure. Can that be more than 2 notes?
Yeah.
Yes.
there's half
Could it be less than
notes.
2 notes?
Yes, because
Yes. But it has 2 beats in every measure. What does the 4 mean? That, to me, is the more confusing one.
That notes. How many notes?
No, doesn't mean you need 4 notes.
Wasn't that like...
What you got to think about is money. Quarters. You know what quarters are? How many quarters are in a dollar?
4.
4. Okay, that's what this 4 means. It's telling you the quarter note gets 1 beat. So 4 of those things are like 4 quarters. That gives you 1
Beat.
Well, each one gets 1 beat in music. Okay, so it's telling you the quarter note, which is this one, right? This one right here, gets 1 beat.
And then it changes.
It changes down there. That's why we're not doing that
Oh,
today.
that's why
That's
it's-
a lot harder. The bottom ones are a lot harder.
But these
Okay.
ones are 3,
Now,
6,
the
and
other thing
7.
you got to know is how many beats do each of these cards have? And that's what you might not know, and that's what we're working on.
This is-
okay? We'll talk about it a little bit, but I also want you to just kind of think about it. How many beats? Well, I already told you. How many beats does this guy get?
This gets
1. That's your quarter note, right? Your quarter note. Okay. How many beats does this one get? It's called a half note. That's your hint.
That
2.
gets 2.
2 beats. Good. How many beats does this big
4.
old one get? Whole note. It gets 4. Yes. Then we have this one. This is a dotted half note.
Oh, that's 2.
The half note gives it 2. The
3,
dot
that's 3,
gives
that's
it gives it half of what it already has. So if it has 2 beats, half of that is 1, so it gets 3 beats. Okay? The rest of these I'm going to let you kind of try to see if you can figure them out for now. All right, so go. You're just going to make the 2, 4 line any way you want. Now, they can't both be the same. So make the first measure different from the second measure. And I'll tell you if you're right. There's multiple answers. Lots and lots of answers. Okay?
I'm lazy.
Do they have to fit in these?
That's part of the hint. Yeah. That one's 3 beats, Madeline. You can't use it.
Yeah, that's
'Cause
why.
there's only
That's
2
why
beats
this
in a
one's
measure.
so long.
Oh.
Yours is right. You can take those off.
I'm lazy.
That one's right too. Take it off and make a new one because that was too easy. Simeon's doing great here. Yes, there's one of them. Good. There's one of them,
I
Reagan.
got 4, 4.
Make a harder one, Simeon.
Aw.
Silly boy. You're right though.
Here.
All right, never mind, Simeon. You made multiple ones. You're right on all of them.
Now.
But at some point, you're going to have to use those others that you aren't sure what they are. Reagan, yours is right. You can take that one off. You can go on to 4, 4, which is under it. They only gave you 1 of 4, 4. Silly them. That's right. Good job, Madeline. You can take those off. And go to 4, 4. That works, but try one other one.
Wait, how many? Isn't this 2?
Oh, hold on a second. I need to tell everybody. That's right, but make a different one. Everybody stop for a second. This one, I need to show the people. This one that has 3 eighth notes, we're not going to use right now. It
What?
really is for the 3, 8, 6, 8, 7, 8. Okay, so don't use that one. Technically, there is something in the 4s, but it would have a little 3 above it, and
How
that
many
does
is
not.
this? Again,
How
isn't
many
this
do you
2?
think it is?
Isn't this 2?
Yours is right. Good job, Reagan. And don't go down in those. We're not going to do those
Oh,
down
I
there.
knew that. I
We're
knew
doing
that.
3, 4.
Yep, you can go ahead to 3, 4. Ooh, Madeline, thank you for trying something that's a little harder than what your fellow students are trying. Keep
What?
going, Madeline. You're good. You, mister, was doing all the easy ones. She's trying to do a hard one. Good for her.
this one.
Yours is right. Good job.
Isn't
Oh
this
wait,
one?
wait. How many beats did this get? 2.
We'll talk about it in a minute. Take a guess, though. What did I say about the dot? You take the value of the note. The dot gives it half of what it already has.
Oh.
No.
It's 1 beat. So it's
No.
half beat.
So it won't be 2. It'll be 1 1/2. That one's right. 1, 2.
There's another
Nope.
one of those. So I'm just
Okay, hold on a second, though. Let's see. This is right.
Yeah, this is
1 beat,
2.
2 beats. You got 2 1/2 right there. How about that?
I knew that.
This work?
I knew that.
1, 2, 3.
got it.
One.
Oh, wait, I
Nope.
know.
That's only 2 beats. Now you got 3 beats. That works. Good job. You got it. Let's see. Did I tell you? Yeah, I did tell you right. You can take those off. You'll run out if you keep leaving them on there. You can take those off and reuse them.
Okay.
Okay, so she still needs to do 3. Yes, but I forgot to tell you, all of you, one thing. We've talked about this before, but it was a long time ago. Everybody look at, well, let me do it this way first for the people watching the video. Okay, look at this one and this one. This is the same note as that. It's kind of weird.
Oh,
What?
So this is an 8th note. That's an 8th note. When they're by themselves, they put a flag on them. When they're with another one, they put a bar on it, beam on it, so it doesn't look the same, right? But this one gets the same number of beats as this one. Okay? So technically what you had wasn't right because they wouldn't have put 2 flags next to each other. Number-wise, it was right. Do you know what I mean? Does that make sense? I mean, you're still supposed to be doing 3, 4. I think. Did you do 3, 4? I don't think you did 3, 4 yet. You need 3 beats in every measure. Quarter
Here we
note has
go.
1 beat. 1, 2, 3. No, it's 3, 4. You've now got 4 beats.
What?
1, 2, 3, 4. You can't have 4 beats when you're in 3, 4. You need 3 beats.
I'm confused. on
Oh, what
you
I was
just said.
saying is, this is technically right, 1, 2, 3, but they would not do that. They would have another one like this, which if you don't have another one like this, you can't do it. Because now you could do this. This is what the boys in the other class were doing.
So these together.
They were doing things like this. That's right, but that's awful hard to play and say. You got 1, 2, 3 beats, but these 2 aren't together, so they would have flags. Does that kind of make sense? We're going to be doing this for several weeks. So, and this is what you're going to do for your page in your book. In your book, I have the same rule. You can't have, if you have 2 measures, they can't be identical. That doesn't really give you any practice. So you got to change them up.
I'm
Okay.
gonna do the easy ones.
It's
for the
okay to do
book,
the easy ones for
but
now.
I'm gonna do the hard ones for this thing.
Your first measure is right. Your second measure is not. You have
Oh, I think that's right.
2 1/2 beats.
Oh, I knew.
So you need a half beat. You could do it, but you'd have to add a half beat in there somewhere. Yep, you could do that's now you have 3 beats. Kind of weird, but you got 3 beats. Okay, so the reason is that dotted quarter note, the quarter note gets 1 beat. The dot gives half of what it already has. So a half of 1 is a half. So that dotted quarter note gets 1 1/2.
2, 4.
Okay,
Let's try
and that little guy with the flag, that's a half beat. All right. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's right. 1, 2. No, your top one. I didn't do the middle one. The top one, the last measure, you only have 1 1/2 beats, so you don't have enough. But this one over here
This one.
only has 1 1/2.
Oh, I didn't.
1, 2, 3. You only have 3 beats on number 4, on the 4 4 one. 1. Now you got too many beats. You have 2 1/2. You could put that one there. Yeah.
I got it.
1, 2.
Oh,
No, 3. Now, whoa. You don't have 4 beats on that one. You've got 2 beats on that one. You're good. Okay, so we got to go on because we still have other things to do. But that's how you use the game. It's pretty fun. We'll do it again.